Navigating the information landscape is risky. Every day, new threats emerge around how information is stored, transmitted, and managed. Remote work, the Internet of Things, and increased regulations all present unique challenges. Ricoh helps you turn risk into advantage. We manage mission-critical information for hundreds of thousands of companies worldwide. Our expertise and advanced technology help you securely gather, store, analyse and share valuable data while remaining compliant to stay agile, overcome obstacles and adjust course so you can focus on forward. Let's move forward together.